alaikum. I'm Dr. Nighat. Hope you are fine and waiting of my new videos. Today our topic is rashes, which is very common problem for the people, and people are very much worry about this problem. So today I will talk about the rashes and its sympathetic treatment. Rashes. What are rashes? Rashes are abnormal changes in skin color or texture. They usually result from skin inflammation, which can have many causes. There are many types of rashes, including eczema, granuloma, annulare, lichen planus, and pityriasis rosea. If we talk about in easy words, dermatitis, dryness, wounds because of dryness, dry heels from which the blood comes out, or ringworms on our head. These are all basically the rashes type. Eczema. Eczema is general term that describes several different conditions in which skin is inflamed, red, scaly, and itchy. Eczema is a common skin condition, and atopic dermatitis, also called atopic eczema, is one of the most common form of eczema. Eczema can affect adults or children. The condition is not contagious. View the symptoms and causes, then we conclude the treatment of rashes according to homeopathic treatment. So let's see the causes. We don't know for sure what causes atopic eczema or other type of eczema, ringworms or other dry eczemas, but the conditions often affect people with a family history of allergies. If you have eczema, you may also have hay fever and asthma or have family members with those conditions. Some things can trigger a flare up of eczema or make eczema worse, but they don't cause the condition. Eczema triggers include stress, skin irritants, including soaps, skincare products, or some fabrics, allergens. And even the climate environment also involve in skin rashes. Symptoms for eczema. The way eczema looks can vary from person to person. In adults, eczema most often affects the hand, elbows, and bending areas like the inside of the elbows and back of your knees. In young children, eczema often shows up inside the elbows, behind the knees, and on the face, back of the neck, and scalp. Itchiness can be seen in these type of eczema in which rashes are too much included. Skin redness can be found. Dry, scaly, or crusted skin that might become thick and leathery from long term scarring. Formation of small fluid filled blisters that might ooze when scratched. Infection of the areas of broken skin, like dry heels or dry lips, can be seen with bloody fluidity. To diagnose these type of eczema, in homeopathic, you have to consult your doctor as he prescribes. After appropriate duration of time, you can simply use glycerin, mineral oils, or other medications in daily routine, but you have to take medicine for its complete treatment. So let's go towards the treatment. of rashes, all type of rashes, eczema, dermatitis, dry heels, dry lips, ringworms, urticaria, in which rashes can be seen too much in homeopathy. The first medicine is sulfur. Sulfur mother tincture can be used on these all type of rashes with cotton. You can take cotton, dip into mother tincture, sulfur mother tincture, and apply on it, even on your head or your body, underarms, your face, lips. You can use this mother tincture with glycerin also on your heels. Mother tincture 10 to 15 drops with 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Mix it and apply on your heels. It will be rapidly and fastly will be healed. And the next medicine is arsenicum album. You can use arsenicum album 3 times in a day, arsenicum album 30. In morning, afternoon and in evening. 5 drops in a cup of water 3 times a day. Sulfur 200 can be used weekly, just 1 dose, or 2 times weekly in the morning, just 2 doses. Innerly you can use 10 drops of sulfur 200 in 1 glass of water in the morning before breakfast. So external use can be done by mother tincture, and internal use is of sulfur 200 can rapidly heal your rashes. You can also use sulfur mother tincture for your dry hairs, dry scalps also, which are very rashy type, dry and bloody, and itching is too much. You can use with oil, with coconut oil, 10 to 15 drops. You can add with half cup of coconut oil or as much you require, and apply it on your scalps. Shows the best result and the dryness will go on. So this is the homeopathic treatment you can done, and you can get the advantage of homeopathic medicine. So keep it up, enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the icon button, bell icon. Allah Hafiz.